Hi guys, it's Philip English. I am a robotics enthusiast reporting on the latest business and application of robotics. My mission is to get you robot optimized and to support industry, innovation and infrastructure for the next era. Today we've got Chang from Extend Robotics. So Extend, they build affordable robotic arms which can be remotely controlled anywhere, and I think their main vision is to sort of extend human capability, so you haven't got to be there physically. You can use robots to do the tasks. So hi Chang, welcome.
Yeah, great to be here.
Cool, thank you, sir. So I suppose that the first thing that we want to know is really just like a quick explanation about yourself and the company. Is it all right if you give us a very quick overview?
Yeah, sure. So I'm Chang. I'm the CEO of Extend Robotics. So in one word, in one sentence, in Extend Robotics, we built high scalable we built highly scalable teleoperation robotic arm to allow anyone to intuitively operate remotely from anywhere. And I really like myself is I kind of started from like a robotic research background. I did my Ph.D. in Imperial College and Stanford University to actually understand how we can automate robots. I was also the head of robotics in Canova. So during this process, really like I kind of talked to many clients and industry partners, really trying to figure out what's their need in terms of using the robot in real world scenarios. I'm kind of getting very excited in recent years seeing this boom of robots being used in real world application. I believe like there's a few driving forces on that, like digitalization, automation, the trends, and the enabling technologies that allow like intuitive operations and such as the VR and the cloud service. But I also see there's a big challenge there. That's really this bottleneck of modern robotics that has this complex, the limitation of operating in complex scenarios where you actually require physical operations to certain tasks. So that's beyond the current capability of the robots, say, taking pictures and delivery robots. And really what we wanted to do is to actually find a new way to make complex operations, manipulation tasks safer, faster, and cheaper. Yeah.
Right, fantastic. No, that's a great overview. Thanks, Chang. So obviously, like you come from a robotic like academic background. You know, you've seen the problems that the industry has and now you've created obviously this company and this solution. And I suppose the main problems, I suppose you can go through. If you went through healthcare, then the first thing I think about is, you know, you may have people like in hospital beds or care homes where you can assist them like remotely. Industry has lots and lots of different types of applications to do with manufacturing and distribution, general servicing, so restaurants and things like that, especially because of COVID right at the moment. So I can see the problems that people would have, and then I suppose on the agricultural side as well, with it getting more and more difficult to find workers, the problem is there that we need to like address, and I suppose the solution for you. I mean, I was reading into you got something called AMAS. Is that part of the solution?
Yeah, so the AMAS is short for the Advanced Mechanic Assistance System, which is literally a special VR game that connects to a real robot to allow people to leverage the intuitiveness and the immersiveness of VR to operate the robots more easily. So we believe that's kind of the new way that people could operate the robots. Yeah.
Right, and this is connected to the clouds, and obviously that's where the link is. So is that a server on the cloud that all the information links to? Like how does it work? How does the communication work?
Yeah, I mean, the system we're providing is a network-ready system, so the robots connects to an arbitrary network. The AMAS software connects to the same network, and then they communicate over a network. This network is flexible, so it could be Wi-Fi, could be 4G, or could even be 5G. In fact, we are we are in partnership with a few 5G testbed to actually trial how 5G could improve our service in terms of giving large bandwidth and low latency. But the system we provide is a network-ready system that could connect to any network. We're also working on integrating the Amazon Web Service to the system, so you can actually have a remote server that's actually allows you to provide like a virtual like VPN to communicate over the internet. So that's allow people to work remotely. So you can literally use the VR interface to operate the robots over the internet. So you don't have to be in the same location with the robots. Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah. Well, I suppose that's the main thing. Like, you want the security around it. So if anyone's going to be logging onto the robots, you want to make sure that they're secure. I did go through a few of your videos. So I saw you were at the robot restaurant up in Milton Keynes. Is it Robot Tasia? Robot Tasia. I think Mark and Joe owe that place, so I've been there. It's quite a good place to go to if you're going to the UK. But so is those the sort of testing? Is that a good example of how you would use it?
Yeah, I would say it's a concept demonstration and technology showcase of our system. We're still exploring the business case behind it, but I would say this is a great showcase of what you can do as example. And so we basically did a quick setup in there, and we kind of used the robot arm to refill a pint of beer. Just following the topic of COVID, close down, a lockdown. Actually, that was done one day before the second lockdown. So we were kind of lucky. We managed to do the demonstration. But it was quite simple demo. But actually, it's not designed to do one particular task. But it's designed to do a general system for a range of different tasks, depending on how people want to use it. So one day it could be used for bartending. One day it could be used for chefs, or it could be an independent robots. Anything you want to do, because the flexibility you obtain from the AMAS human robot interface, that literally the human is still controlling the robots, but in a more intuitive way.
Yeah, and I love the flexibility as well. So obviously, like, you can use it for multiple tasks, and I suppose especially in restaurants, like we've seen a few robot projects where they're looking to automate the restaurant, but obviously the robot can't do everything, so you would need still someone to log on and do that piece of work. And the thing that gets my attention is maybe even at the home as well, because obviously, if you're making a meal at home and you want someone to give you a hand, then obviously you can have a service where someone can log on and actually start to make the food for you, especially if it's an elderly person as well, like who's struggling. So that's interesting. Yeah, I mean, I was going to ask, so what's the sort of so the main reason is obviously to get these robots out to make it a lot easier to do tasks without having to be there. So, like, what's the bigger picture then? Like, where do you see yourself going?
Well, the system is general purpose remote handling solution with a low cost advantage and intuitive interface. we believe is this type of problem is applicable to a wide range of industries. So ranging from utility industries where you want to do inspection and maintenance, maybe like nuclear industries, and you want to decommission the nuclear facilities. Healthcare, you want to take care of the patients when you even there's a highly dangerous virus, the agriculture industry where you have like local what do you call it, the shortage of laborers in local areas, so you can utilize the labor that's outside this local area quickly, and also like public service, hospitality industries. You want to have a remote walk-in solution for your workers. There's also could be used for space even. So it's a wide range of industries. We believe our key market would be around utility industry. That's where we see the most desire from the customer. But sometimes it needs a more complete solution than what we can at the moment offering. But that's what we are looking at, and we're also looking at public service industries that may have a easier task for us to do in the beginning. But we will see the BSHAT market is the healthcare, the public service, and the key market is the utility industry. Yeah.
That makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense. Like I also saw the video about the first birthday party, sort of like COVID birthday party. So that was very impressive.
That was our early prototype. That was done over 50 miles away, apart from the robots to the operator. So I was controlling the robot from Reading, and the robot itself is in central London. That's over 50 miles away, and we were able to operate the robots over the internet. That shows to be quite promising. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And then I suppose a quick question I thought of: if you were operating like 500 miles away, would you have to make sure that the internet connection is obviously stable and secure and powerful, so it doesn't cut out? I suppose that's quite a main thing.
Yeah, I think the network capability will help us if it's like a 5G and improved latency and the bandwidth and the robustness. The system can operate in restricted bandwidths and being safe, even the network breaks down. So worst case scenario, you lose control, the robot stays there safely. And actually our our data streaming pipeline, we're also like a patent pending that allows us to stream a lot of information within a low bandwidth. So we're working on finalizing patent on the streaming algorithms that will basically forms our one of our USP to actually deploy such systems in a more realistic scenario, especially within a constrained network. Yeah.
Right. Perfect. And then I suppose the only other question I had was around sort of is the company going through like an investment sort of scheme where obviously you have investors on board, and every step that you go up, then you get more investment and you grow and grow. Is that the path that the company's on?
Yeah, we are. So we are early stage startup. We have been raising investment from BridgeBox. We're still looking for further investment So if someone interested, we can have more detailed conversation around that.
Give it a shout. Okay, no, thanks very much. Well, yeah, I think that's it for my questions. I mean, I suppose the next sort of steps is, so if we wanted to purchase a unit, if it's a startup, can we purchase a unit now, or are we still a bit too early?
Well, yeah. So our product strategy is that we're working on a fully integrated solution with hardware and software. Our goal is to provide a fully integrated solution by the beginning of 2022.
Yep.
We are currently just started to offer the software alone solution. So we're demonstrating the way how people could interface our software with a third-party robot arm. Okay. So for someone who already have a industrial robot arm, they can come to us, and we can discuss the way we could interface our software with your robot arm. The way our software architecture is very flexible. It supports ROS interface, robotic operating system. So any robot arm that supports robotic operating system can actually integrate with our AMS software very easily. So we're offering that now, and we're actually really looking forward to everyone who has interest, and we can work out the solution together, or we can you can just have a trial of our current system. Yeah.
Right, and then the actual hardware, is that a 3D printed piece, or is that something that you're going to get manufactured?
Yeah, current prototype is 3D printed robot arms. We have a lot of experience on how do we make sure the stiffness of the 3D prints meets our requirements. We are optimizing particular small elements of the system to make sure the core functionality is not compromised. So it will be an optimized 3D printing solution for robot arms. Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. Yeah. No, I think that's been a great overview, Chang. So many thanks for your time. I mean, if people want to get in contact with you, what's the best way?
Please come to our website for www.extendrobotics.com. Leave your messages, or you can just simply email me, chang.liu@extendrobotics.com. Yeah.
Right, perfect. Thanks, Chang. And what we'll do is we'll put all the links in the bottom of the interview as well. So perfect. Cool. Well, thanks, Chang. Thanks for your time today. It's very much appreciated. Thank you, sir.
Okay, cool. Awesome. Thanks, Philip.
Take care. Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.